let go, it probably would have taken your foot off your leg. Really, the jaws they have, your hand would be off your
It was huge. It was almost as big as the table. I am not kidding. And this leg is probably still in there. Pardon me?
So I finally cut the line and I couldn't get the hook out. So he went back and forth. I mean, he was that big.
Well, and when the reflection, one time I had 3 kids in at boat dock. I only had 3. We had, remember those bamboo poles we had?
Yeah.
So I'm standing on the edge of boat dock with the pole down in the water, and all the kids are out around behind, and they're all yakking, and I'm yakking at them. I've got 3
Yes,
kids
the bamboo
close
poles,
to me.
that's what they were
And
for.
I look down, it's a turtle, but I don't know, I think it's a body. I look down, and the kid said my face turned. I mean, it didn't take me but a nanosecond to realize it wasn't a kid. But the thought that I had let a kid drown, and it wasn't like I had a lot of kids, I had 3 kids in the water.
Millionth of a second.
Oh my God, I just